We worked in what they called the temple because nobody could get in there. And they had a cyclotron in the basement, see. I had to have the highest government security. They called it Q clearance. The man I was dating at the time, the FBI had talked to him and he called me about it. They're just checking me to make sure that, I'm a supportive of the government and so forth and can keep secrets. The building I was in, it was a Q clearance building. You couldn't get in there unless you had clearance, or if you didn't, you escorted somebody in, and that's how I met my husband. He didn't have the clearance because he had relatives over in Germany, and so I had to escort him up into our lab. That's how we met.